everyone, it's Jamie. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And I found quite a few new things that I have never seen at my Dollar Tree, and so I was excited to grab them. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first couple of things aren't real exciting, but I went ahead and grabbed this Glad sandwich bags. And normally when I go in there to buy sandwich bags, I buy the Sure Fresh or the Good Sense brand. And this time I found these Glad ones. And the only reason why I got them is because it said there is 29. So you get 7 free bags in there. So there's 30% more. And these are double sealed. And that is a name brand. So, I thought that was a really good deal. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next thing that I got is something that I always get. It's a staple. It's the Good Sense Handles trash bags. And I get these every time pretty much when I go. There's a staple, something I always get. They are good trash bags. They're not the greatest, so I wouldn't recommend putting anything too heavy in them because they may break. But they work fine just for me in my house. So I grabbed one of those, and you do only get 10 in a box. Sometimes you will be able to find they'll do a bonus where they put, I don't know, it's an extra 2 or 3 in there, but they didn't have any of those, so I just went ahead and grabbed the regular 10 bags. So the next thing that I picked up is from Cooking Concepts, and it's a scoop with soft handle grip. And the reason why I got this is because I got it to use for my dog's dog food, to scoop their dog food out. Now I do have small breed dogs, and I usually just buy like the 4-pound dog food, 4-pound bag of dog food. But I'm getting tired of having to buy dog food every week. It seems like it only lasts a week, and I'm off buying more. So I'm going to start buying the larger size. So I got a larger, I think it's a 22-pound bag of dog food. And instead of sticking my hand in there to scoop it out, or using a cup or a glass or whatever, I thought I'd go ahead and get just one of these scoops from the Dollar Tree to help me get the dog food out. I think it'd be a lot easier. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next things that I found I think are really cute. They have the flour sack, some more flour sack towels out, and these have a few different sayings. Now they had 4 different sayings, and there was only 2 that I liked, so I just grabbed one of each of those. But the first one says roll with it, and now I think I have seen other people haul this before, but I have not ever seen it at my Dollar Tree until now. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Now it just has the print on the front side. The back side does not have anything on it. But anyway, I thought it was cute, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. The next one says cook, eat, and be happy. And I thought this was really cute too. And this one does have just the print on the one side, and then the back is just like gray polka dots. So I went ahead and just grabbed one of those. Now the next thing I found, I was really excited to see. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before, and I have been needing these desperately, but they are kind of expensive when you go to buy them anywhere else. But look, I couldn't believe when I found this at the Dollar Tree for $1. In case, here, I'm going to show you guys what the front of it looks like. Now, I've been to the Dollar Tree since I purchased these, and I have not seen these at any of the others. So, I don't know. I don't know if every Dollar Tree is getting these, or if mine was just, I looked out on it. I don't know. I haven't seen them since, so I don't know if they'll be getting any more in. But they're calling it the Decorative Splash Block, and it directs the rainwater away from your foundation. Now, I have some of these that I have had for over 20 years, and they are broken. They're like broken in half because mine are cement. And so I needed some new ones. And I seen these, and it's made out of plastic. They're very lightweight. And that's the only thing that I see that may be a downfall, is that they are not heavy. But I did notice that they do have holes up here. So I'm wondering if these holes are not for maybe staking them down or something, maybe to hold it down to, in your yard. I don't think. Oh, it says, yes, use anchor holes to hold in place. The stakes are not included. So that's what those are. Those are anchor holes. And I just now noticed that. So anyway, and I think I do have some stakes that I have left over from doing my landscaping. I'm not sure if they'll work for this, but I'll try it and see. So anyway, I was excited to find these, and I mean, for $1, can't go wrong. So the next things that I found, I have been looking for. It's the Crafter Square. This is the Scraptility knife set. There's 6 assorted blades in here. And I have not ever found these at my Dollar Tree before. I have seen other people haul them. So I thought, wow, they had these. They actually only had one left. So this is the one, and I grabbed it. I'm not sure how well this is. I'm hoping that they're fairly sharp. And I'm sorry about the glare. So hopefully it works good, because you never know. You're always needing to cut something. And I do have an X-Acto knife that I use occasionally, but it's kind of gotten dull. So hopefully this will work. I was excited to find it. The next things that I found are the decorative nautical rope. And if you watched my tutorial on the Mother's Day wreath that I made, well, it was a wreath that I made for my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. And it's a basket wreath. Now a flower basket wreath, you can use it for any time. It doesn't have to be just for Mother's Day or whatever, but anyway, in that video, I ran out of the nautical rope and had to go buy some more. And so I found some of this 9.5-foot nautical rope. And what I'm noticing is, it used to be 13 foot. And sometimes you can still find the 13 feet, because sometimes my Dollar Tree does still carry it occasionally. But here lately, it's just been this 9.5 feet. But I have noticed too that it's a little bit of a thinner rope than what the 13 foot one is. So I don't know. It feels like the same kind of rope. It's just a little bit thinner. But I mean, it worked just fine, and I do like it. So I grabbed 3 of those. The thing that I found are these by Crafter Square. They're the sponge dabbers. There's 3 in here. And I got these because I'm going to be doing a honeybee type wreath, and I have not been able to find a sign that I like for it. I have found a couple online, but the way shipping is, it's taking forever to get anything in, and I kind of want it here soon, and I don't know when I would get it if I ordered it online. But anyway, I thought I would just make my own. So anyway, to make that sign, I needed some of these little pouncers, or dabbers, whatever they're calling them, sponge dabbers. But anyway, to make that sign, and I think I may do a tutorial on that, on me making it. I don't know, we'll have to see. But I went ahead and grabbed 1 package of those. The next thing that I found is some more of the Crafter Square art canvases, and these are the 8x10. I grabbed 2 of them because for me making that sign for my wreath, I am going to be using one of these canvases for that. And these are the canvases that are just flat. They're the thin, flat ones. They're not like the other ones with the stretched canvas over it and it has the frame. It's just a plain flat piece of canvas, which is fine for me to make my sign for my wreath. So hopefully that works out. And I did get 2 just in case I mess up. Okay, the next things that I got are these ribbon. Now these are the burlap ribbon. This is the 1.5 inch by 108 inches, or 3 yards, 9 feet. But I went ahead and grabbed one of each of these. So one is the black polka dot and one is the white polka dot. And these are the 1.5 inch. I think they sometimes will have it in the 2 inch maybe. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and grab one of each of these because why not? You can never have too many ribbon, I don't think. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each of those. The thing that I found are something that my Dollar Tree always has. And I don't think I've ever purchased, well, I may have purchased one once before. Because usually when my Dollar Tree has these, they don't have the right size. And this time around, they still didn't really have the right size, but I figure it's still okay because, anyway, let me just show you. It's the adult t-shirts. These are by Gildan. And, I mean, Gildan is a name brand, so, but this one is in the size 2XL. Now this is a little big. This isn't really the size I wanted. I was looking for extra large. But, you know, whatever. I like them a little oversized anyway. And so I went ahead and grabbed this gray color. And then I also grabbed just a plain black one. And I've already worn it. So, yeah, I liked it. It was nice. It was nice and comfy. So I liked it. So I went ahead and grabbed this gray. It's coming out green on the camera, but it's not green. It's a gray. It's like a gray color. But it's really nice. I don't really see any flaws in it necessarily. And like I said, you know, it's from the Dollar Tree. So what do you expect? There is just a little bit of a snag of a hole there. And then I noticed here on the back, it looks like there's a little bit of a splatter stain. I don't know what that is exactly. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's the thing too, when you buy, you know, shirts from the Dollar Tree like this, is they're not perfect. That's why they're at the Dollar Tree, right? For $1, because they're not perfect. But I'm okay with it because I just got these to do like yard work in, or a night shirt to sleep in, or just to lounge around the house. Nothing, you know, fancy to do with it, anything. So that's the reason why I got this. And I may even try to do something like tie-dye or something with it. I don't know. And you know, the worn look with the hole there in the front. Isn't that the style? People like the ripped t-shirts and all that anyway. So anyway, I got this for $1, and so I was happy about that. Okay, so the last 2 things that I picked up are just the 14-inch wire frames. I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of them because I am still making wreaths and things like that. And these are the 14-inch, and I did notice the other day that they have some 18-inch ones in. But to me, the 18-inch ones are big. Like once you get all your stuff on there, they're really big. They turn out to be really big because you know, you're adding more material to them. So anyway, I just went ahead and grabbed 2 more of the wire wreath frames. So that is the end of this haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and you like Dollar Tree hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. I would appreciate it so much. I'm getting really close to 500 subscribers. When I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon and YouTube will notify you when I upload. And so anyway, today is Monday. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I just wanted to thank you all for watching. Bye!